In today's video, I am going to teach you how to autofill serial numbers in Excel. This is a quick and useful Excel skill that can save you time, especially when you are working with lists, tables, or any sheet that needs numbered rows. Instead of typing every number one by one, Excel can recognize a pattern and continue it for you automatically. To begin, click the first cell where you want your serial numbers to start. This is the cell where the numbering will begin. Once that cell is selected, type the number 1. After that, press Enter. This will move you down to the cell directly below. In that next cell, type the number 2. These first two numbers are important because they show Excel the pattern you want to follow. By entering both 1 and 2, you are telling Excel that you want to create a normal counting sequence that increases by 1 each time. Now click and drag your mouse to highlight both of those cells together. Make sure both numbers are selected at the same time. This gives Excel the information it needs to continue the series correctly. Next, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the highlighted area. You will see a small square in that corner. Hover over it carefully until your cursor changes into a black plus sign. This is called the fill handle, and it is what Excel uses to extend data patterns like serial numbers. Once you see the black plus sign, click and drag it downward along the column. Keep dragging until you reach the row where you want your numbering to stop. As you drag, Excel will preview the sequence for you, making it easy to see that the numbers are continuing in order. When you reach your desired row, release the mouse. Excel will instantly fill in the remaining serial numbers for the selected range. You should now see a clean sequence continuing down the column, starting from 1 and moving upward one number at a time. If you want a longer list, simply drag farther down. If the result does not look right, check that you selected both the 1 and the 2 before dragging. That is what helps Excel understand the pattern. This method is simple, fast, and very helpful for organizing spreadsheets more efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.